Toyota just teased the 2027 Tundra, and buried inside it is a factory-built Trailhunter package that should genuinely worry the aftermarket lift kit industry. This slate-quitty truck in front of us, developed by Toyota's Calty Design Research Studio in Ann Arbor, Michigan, previews exactly what's coming. Up front, Toyota gave the 2027 Tundra a crisp, squared-off front end with a wide, stable stance and a hexagonal grille theme that adapts across trims and personalities. The grille-mounted LED light bar got a Breyer upgrade, flanked by rectangular fog lights integrated cleanly into a center lower bumper treatment with available rigid-branded fog lights for extra low visibility illumination. For Trailhunter specifically, you get front recovery hooks and extra underbody protection built right in from the factory. Side profile brings those signature bronze-colored wheels wrapped in Michelin LTX Trail 265/70 R18 tires exclusively on this package, paired with exclusive Trailhunter badges you won't find anywhere else in the lineup. Inside, Toyota's newest audio multimedia system, developed with Toyota Connected North America, comes standard with a 14-inch screen, 5G connectivity through AT&T, customizable smartphone-style widgets, and a faster-responding Hey Toyota voice assistant. There's also a standard built-in drive recorder dash cam using the exterior cameras, plus enhanced digital key that now works straight from your phone's wallet app, shareable with up to 5 drivers. Here's the honest gripe, though. Toyota hasn't detailed seat materials, dashboard trim, or bed storage specifics yet, so we're genuinely waiting on the full reveal this fall for that side of things. On the capability front, Trailhunter builds on the SR5 grade with an Old Man Emu upgraded suspension, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking rear differential, positioned at what Toyota calls a more accessible price point within the lineup. The full 2027 lineup spans SR, SR5, Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro, and Capstone, still offering both a gas twin-turbo V6 and the available iForce Max hybrid, with iForce Max grades getting a 2.4 kilowatt bed inverter for tools and gear. Here's the important part, though. Toyota has not released horsepower, torque, 0 to 60, or towing numbers for 2027 yet. Those are officially coming this fall alongside pricing, so treat any numbers floating around right now as unconfirmed. Standard Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 brings pre-collision detection with pedestrian recognition, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist, backed by a 36-month basic warranty, 60-month powertrain coverage, and a 10-year hybrid battery warranty on iForce Max models, plus 1 year of complete Toyota Care maintenance. Would you wait for full Trailhunter pricing this fall, or are you sold already on looks alone? Drop your take below and subscribe. Car Rev 3's got another one wild coming soon.